Khoshkar noodle, a kind of traditional Gilani dessert and sweets. Most of the time this sweet is used during Ramadan and is also known as a special sweet for Ramadan.
In the beautiful province of Gilan and especially the city of Rasht, this sweet is prepared for Iftar. In other words, all the fans of this sweet know it is Rasht Khoshkar Rasht. In Tehran and some other provinces, this sweet is prepared in special centers, especially during Ramadan. The main ingredients of the noodles are rice flour, walnut kernels, sugar, cardamom and cinnamon. The drying string is prepared on a tray made of high-purity copper. Of course, this tray must be hot. After the initial purchase or baking, the customer should fry it at home with a little butter or oil, and then fry the noodles in a syrup made from water, sugar,
Cinnamon and cardamom, which is a syrup similar to Zolbia syrup and Okra is, and after absorbing the sweetness and sweetening, according to your temperament.
This traditional and attractive sweet is ready to eat. Noodles consist of rice flour, which is prepared with special tools and a hot copper tray and a special comb,
which is made of rice and is known as a funnel or comb for noodles. The dried fruit also has internal contents that are placed inside the abdomen during preparation.
همجا بخوری حواست نبود من سعیده اینم بگیر
چشم مرسی
بخواه اینا رو سوا ببندی دیگه 10 تا زرد نداره
قربونت برم مرسی خیلی لطف کردی
هر کدوم اینا 4 تا 4 چقدر میشه
4 تا 16 و هم میشه 18
19 20 تو هر کدوم یه رشته میذاره میشه 20 تومن
قربونت باش
کوکی نمیبری؟ کوکی خوردی دالا؟
آره گرفتم آره فومن گرفتم
فومن ولش فومن میخواد یه کوکی رو بدم بخوری تازه میبریم کوکی چیه؟ برو کشمیش برو گردو باشه زنده نگاه بکن
آها
برو کشمیش برو گردو فومن همه فومن امر دیگه
سپاس دستتون هم درم نکنه
در